Ready. Magic. So now it is early July, so it's been 3 months since we started this project, and I just wanted to share a couple of follow-ups and additions that we've done since the previous videos. The floor is holding up great. It does show every little dusty footprint, but it's easy to clean. We just hit it with the leaf blower about every other week and follow it up with a mop, and it does a great job. Probably the biggest addition is this cardio zone. First of all, we got a Wahoo kicker snap for my bike, so I could do some training there on Zwift or just on the Wahoo app. And then this adorable little treadmill. It has the smallest deck that I've ever seen. But we are short people, don't have a really long stride, and so it does just fine. It was really affordable. It was off Amazon. Does all we need it to do. The only thing is to change the incline. Is you have to actually stop it and move that little yellow thing. But we just keep it on probably, I don't know, 0.5%, 1% incline. We're not serious runners, so it does what it needs to do for us. So since we added this, we had to move all that stuff that was on the back wall, just because it kind of closed it off. So that stuff is now on this wall. So it's out of the way. When we open the door, the end of the door goes right here. So that got moved over there. And I added this little table. I made this table to put my laptop on for when I'm using Zwift. Like I've mentioned, our portable AC unit is actually an evaporative cooler. So you just put some water in the bottom, crank it on, blows cold, works awesome. I don't remember how much it was, but it was pretty affordable. And it keeps cool out here between that and all this shade. For instance, right now it's 104 degrees right now. And that certainly helps. Though we do try and work out we usually work out around 5:30 in the morning, 6 in the morning, but we could still theoretically work out in the afternoon and not die. We got 4 more dumbbells. These we got just from Target, lucked out, and they had some in stock, but we are steadily adding to the inventory, and this is enough to get us through for now. Things left to do, we'd like to add some mirrors, one here, maybe one over there, at least one, so we can see what the hell we're doing. The other thing is the doors. We just have these door stops. It's actually just some scrap wood that came out of a box or whatever, but I'm gonna add a latch right here to keep those shut. In addition, for security, like a bolt or something that goes through here into the post so that they can't be slid open from the outside. And that's about it. I'm sure it'll grow and evolve as our needs change and our interests change, but so far it's been a real pleasure. We work out pretty much every day, every morning, so that's been awesome. And so we canceled our gym memberships, and yeah, we're really pleased with it. No regrets here.